Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe and sound at your home. And today I am going to teach you the lesson entitled Old Man at the Bridge by Ernest Hemingway. Dear students, it is a story of an old man, and the narrator, who is a soldier by occupation, narrates us the story of that particular old man at the bridge. Dear students, it is the story at the time of Spanish Civil War, and the refugees who were victims during that civil war are going to other places. They are going from Spain to Barcelona, and the crowd of refugees was crossing the bridge, and at that time the narrator was on duty. He was doing his duty as a soldier, and he meets an old man, and in the story he tells us that what kind of fellow he was and why was he lingering behind. Why could he not accompany with his other villagers? The old man, who belonged to a particular village, who belonged to a countryside, and he came to that bridge, and as he was tired, he stopped there to take rest, and he was very wearied at that time. And as the narrator saw the old man, he was curious to know about his introduction. On asking him, the old man told the narrator that he had to stay behind, as he had some family members, particular kind of family members, animals. He had 2 goats, a cat, and 2 pair of pigeons as his fellows, as at his home, and he stayed behind to take care of them. And when he was forced again and again by the captain of the army, he had to leave the village unwillingly, and he left his pets behind. And at this time, when the old man was talking with the narrator, he was thinking about his pets in the village. Dear students, in this lesson, the writer wants to tell us about his close feelings, about the old man's close feelings for his pets, and about the refugees' blue, bad condition of refugees, the people who had to leave their village due to war. And as the writer was doing his duty on that pontoon bridge, he began to talk with that particular fellow, old man, and he told the writer that he stayed behind to take care of his pets, and he was unable to move now with other fellows, with other people who were crossing the bridge to take shelter on safer places. And the old man was unable to walk due to his weakness, and as he was above 75 years old of the age. So in this story, we shall read about the description, we are reading about the description about the condition of that old man who met the narrator at the Pontoon Bridge. And the writer, the narrator of the story, was doing his duty as a soldier. He was helping the travelers, the car drivers, the truck drivers, the travelers on foot to pass that bridge. And besides, he was taking attention about the forces of rival armies. So, in this lesson, as I have taught you that there is a description of the particular old man, what kind of fellow he was, and his attachment about pets, and he was satisfied. In the end of the story, the narrator says that the old man, while he was talking with the narrator, he considered himself lucky because at that time there were no aircrafts in the sky. It was somewhat peaceful atmosphere, although it was time of war. And the second reason of his satisfaction was that he was thinking about his pets, and he was thinking that the pair of pigeons had flown away somewhere else, and the cat, which was his favorite, one of the favorite pets, could take care of himself. And that was the reason of his satisfaction. Now we shall answer these questions, and after knowing the answer of these questions, you will understand the story of the old man fully. You will understand the incident. Where did the incident take place, and what happened with that old man? To understand this story fully, We shall have to answer these questions. Next, where did the old man come from? So the old man come from a countryside, or there is a particular name of his village in that story. The old man came from San Carlos. San Carlos is particular name of his village. Simple question. Which animals were there at the old man's home? So there were two goats, a cat and two pairs of pigeons at old man's home, or he kept them as his pets. Which animals could take care of itself? As we have read in the story that while the old man was talking with the narrator, he was thinking about his pets, that in what condition they were at that time, and he was satisfied, because as it is generally known that a cat can take care of itself, and when the old man came to know that a cat can take care of itself, he was satisfied. And in this question, the answer is very simple. Which animal could take care of itself? इसमें a cat could take care of itself. The cat, a cat means the cat, because particular proper noun you have to use. Why did the old man sit by the side of the road? The old man sat by the side of the road because he was tired. He couldn't walk properly due to old age and tiredness. That's all. Next. Why did the old man have to leave his house? The old man had to leave his house because the commander of artillery told him to do so, or told him to vacate his house. What activities were taking place on the pontoon bridge? Pontoon bridge is a particular kind of bridge. अस्थायी ब्रिज होता है, वॉर टाइम में बनाया था, and there is some slight difference between the permanent bridge and a pontoon bridge. And as we have read in the story that the writer was doing his duty as a soldier, and in answer of this question हम लिखेंगे कि the people, the travelers were passing over the bridge, passing the bridge. Some were walking on foot, and bullock cars, trucks and other vehicles were also going to and fro. Besides, some soldiers, or many soldiers भी कह सकते हो, many soldiers laden with luggage passing the bridge. So as we see the activities which go on the bridges, we have to write that. What was the narrator's business at the bridge? उसका business लिखना है, तो narrator was a soldier and he was doing his duty at the bridge. He was helping the travelers. He was leading the travelers for safer place, and